Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Amir Abbas Malik here from Borderless Career Counseling and Education Services. Today, I am discussing and sharing a special program to students and followers. It's 2 years master degree program, luxury marketing in sustainable world. It's 2 year master degree and destination is France. Institute name is Montpellier Business School. Estimated tuition fee is 16,000 euros and €100 is application fee. Requirements for students and official English test score less than 2 years or take the ICIMS English test offered by MBS. Minimum level required 700 to TOIEC, 60 ICMIC, and other requirements TOEFL 5.5, IELTS or Duolingo